to everybody that have been showing me love and positive energy. And yo, like no lie, I haven't even slept. I finished working, and as soon as I finished working, I was like, yo, I need to do this fucking video because I'm slacking. And I know I'm slacking. I already got the rims. I already got a few things to put on. You know, I want to do a little detail on it, like paint the tires, letters white, and you know, white or color. I'm not sure. Probably gonna be white for sure. Seriously, they couldn't pick a fucking better side to cross.
Hey, who mess is this?
I got my fender roll. Unfortunately, the fender roller I bought was shitty. Yes, eBay sent me some fucking shitty ass shit, bro. Like, but I managed to do the job, so that's good. I ended up painting the calipers. I will be showing you videos of it. And man, this is just like a update, keeping you updated, because you know I haven't uploaded a video